Sky Creation Design is an award-winning and professional accredited interior design company with over 10 years of experience. We have been awarded numerous awards ranging from the Singapore Quality Class Award, BizSafe Star, HDB Registered Contractor, Singapore Eco Office, Green Label, and Singapore Prestige Brand Award, just to name a few, making us the most award-winning and professional accreditation renovation firm. We take pride in delivering good quality and good workmanship projects for all our customers, which is why we build our own in-house and regional designer team and in-house carpentry factory to ensure that all projects are done of consistent, good quality. We are also the official partner of MUSI, Singapore's first interior design resource library and renovation experiential centre, providing our customers a real-life concept showroom tour.
I think the designer in Sky Creation is very professional. The firm itself practices transparent pricing, so every step of the way in terms of the renovation, the process, and it's very clear to me.
Most valuable renovation packages for different kinds of houses. Our packages are guaranteed transparent pricing with no hidden costs and gimmicks.
Sky Creation is proud to be the first in the market to introduce standardized price guide for all our renovations. Our most value-buy interior design and renovation package has packages suitable for all house types at an unbeatable value with no hidden costs nor gimmicks. We have various packages catered to different home types and needs of our customers, so all our customers can find a suitable package for their dream home renovation.
Most importantly, in Sky Creation, we deliver our services.
Head on down to our showroom to start your dream home renovation with us today.